Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. If you're constantly feeling bloated, uncomfortable or puffy all the time, this video is for you. I know how frustrating it can be to deal with bloating. As someone who is struggling with digestive issues, bloating is one of the symptoms I deal with mostly every day. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 practical tips you can try at home to help you manage your symptoms. So these tips are beginner friendly and they don't require any fancy products or extreme diets. So if you are this person, please make sure to stick to the end of the video because you might pick 1 or 2 things that can help you. So let's get to the video. So here is the number 1 thing on the list that I stopped doing, which is eating late at night because it worsens my symptoms. And here is what happens whenever you eat late at night. Your body doesn't have the time to properly digest the food before bedtime. This can lead to slow digestion, and this is why you always wake up in the morning with a feeling of gas and bloating. So here is what you need to do. Try to eat your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Let's assume you go to bed by 10. Eat your last meal at 7 p.m. This way, you give your body time to digest and rest properly overnight. So the next thing I did was I stopped drinking water in between meal or immediately after meal. I know a lot of people don't realize this, but drinking water in between meal or immediately after meal can dilute stomach acid. This can make digestion slower and less effective. And this is the reason why even when you just had a little meal, you're looking like you're 6 months pregnant. So instead, try drinking water 30 minutes before meal or 30 minutes after meal. This gives your stomach enough time to do its job without any interference. So the next thing I did was learn to eat and chew slower because chewing is the first step to digestion. And whenever you rush through your meal, you're sending a large chunk of food to your stomach, which makes digestion harder and slower. So whenever you're trying to eat, chew each bite for at least 15 to 20 times before swallowing it. It might feel frustrating at first or maybe even slower, but trust me, within a short period of time, you should be able to notice that you're going to start feeling less bloated and more satisfied with smaller portions. So the next thing I did was I learned to cut down on certain food and greasy food as well. So I noticed that food like beans, cabbage, carrots, broccoli, onion, dairy products, as well as fried food like French fries, fried chicken, fried beef, or anything fried, including tomatoes like fried tomato sauce, they causes me bloating and my body doesn't digest them very well. So here is what I want you to do. Instead of avoiding them completely, just eat in a smaller portion and watch how your body adapts or reacts to them. And you can also find another alternative to cook them, maybe steaming or sauteing instead of eating them raw. This is going to make a huge difference. So the next thing I did is that I avoid chewing gum as well as avoid sipping with a straw, because this habit causes you to swallow extra air, which ends up in your stomach and causes you that tight and gassy feeling all the time. Instead, stick to sipping directly from a cup and avoid chewing gum whenever possible. The next thing I learned to do is move my body before and after meal. Trust me, you don't need a full body workout routine. Even dancing or 10 minutes walking around your neighborhood can help you with digestion and reduce bloating. This is especially helpful after dinner to help you ease that uncomfortable full feeling before bedtime. The next thing I do now is learn to manage stress. I know stress is inevitable and I'm not still perfect on it. I'm still learning. And here is the thing, stress can affect your gut. It can slow your digestion and cause your belly to feel tight and bloated all the time. For me, exercise is always my go-to, but you can try deep breathing, stretching, journaling, or just sitting quietly for a few minutes. This can really make a difference. So the next thing I do now is that I had to include probiotic and digestive enzyme into my daily diet. I have been taking it now for a very long time, and I'm not going to lie, I've noticed a huge difference. It has helped me in healing my gut, it supports my digestion, they reduce gas, and help me move food smoothly. Honestly, I can't go a day without taking them. So maybe you can give them a try. I got mine from Amazon. Maybe you can give it a try as well. So to wrap up, if you're still struggling with bloating, apply these simple tips I've mentioned to your daily routine. And remember, it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistency. Please put in your effort and trust me, your gut will thank you later. So to wrap up on everything I've said so far, no late night eating. Be sure to drink properly before swallowing. Avoid gassy or greasy food. No gums, no sipping from the straw. Apply daily light movement before or after eating and learn to manage stress. And lastly, you can buy probiotic and digestive enzymes to help you out. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share to someone who might need it. See you in my next video. Bye.